Hey guys, thank you so much for the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if the CarPlay audio is not working after the new update. Now, a lot of people have reported their CarPlay stopped working, especially the audio, and they're not able to get audio. So these are the tips that you want to follow to hopefully fix this problem. So let's get started. So the very first thing is you want to go ahead and put your phone on airplane mode by pulling down the control menu here. Put your phone on airplane mode briefly for about a few seconds and turn it back off, and that should do a quick network refresh, and hopefully after you connect it to your car AirPlay it's working for you. Now if you're still having the issue, the next thing too is disconnect from CarPlay completely by going to setting of your iPhone, general, and then there's an option, as you'll notice here on your iPhone, for CarPlay, right? You click on CarPlay, and if it's connected here, you'll click on disconnect here. As you can see, I'm not connected currently, but if I was at the car, I would disconnect from here and then reconnect by holding, if your car supports the wireless CarPlay, by holding the voice control button on it on the steering wheel, and it will connect again. And after you connect, hopefully it fixes the problem for you for your audio. Now if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to check on your CarPlay setting on the actual display itself is to ensure that it's not mute. Some people are finding out that recently when they updated their phone, their CarPlay has been gone mute. So what you'll do is type in your car model or that you have and put in how to search that up. So you'll put CarPlay mute button, so it will show up where the mute button is for the model that you have. Of course, it's going to be different for everyone, so I can't really say for what model that you have, but there is a mute button that you can see, navigate to in your CarPlay display here and see if you can turn that off. It might be in the setting, but this is something the CarPlay display should have. If you don't know, again, like Google it or look at a YouTube video. Now if you have done that and you find out it's not mute or anything, you also ensure that your iPhone audio is up by folding the volume up button just like that. Sometimes it stays mute like this, so you want to press the volume up right here, right, all the way up to the max here, so that it's not muted itself here. And also the next thing is, if you have a focus mode off or do not disturb, I would recommend turning that off as well. So don't have any focus mode turned on, because that will also interfere with the audio of your iPhone. Now after you have done that, it's time to, if you're still having the issue and the audio isn't fixed, you need to do a network reset on your iPhone. In order to do that, you'll go setting of your iPhone, go to general, and go all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. Click on that and then the reset, and then we're going to do a network reset. Now don't worry, network reset will not delete your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be saved. It will reset settings like any connections that you made, such as the CarPlay and any Bluetooth connected devices, and also any saved Wi-Fi passwords. So you'll have to reconnect to your home Wi-Fi or office Wi-Fi or any Wi-Fi that you connected in the past. But it's only resetting the settings themselves, and it's important to troubleshoot when you're having connectivity issue with your CarPlay, and especially if the audio isn't working. Now after you have done that, the next thing you need to do is, after you reconnect it and you're finding that the audio doesn't work, is see if you can update your CarPlay's firmware, the software on it. And again, based on the model, it's going to be different. So you can go back to Google or on YouTube, find out the CarPlay that you have for the model car you have, and then do a firmware update. Because what happens is, when you updated your phone to the latest iOS 17 version, if you have, you'll need to do an update. Usually it's going to be in the somewhere in the setting option where there should be an update button. You might need to connect it to internet, but update the CarPlay as well. There's a bunch of videos out there as well based on the model. Again, it's hard for me to say exactly which model you have, but it's going to follow the same suit on the display. There should be an update button. Along with that, you also want to ensure to see that your phone, if there's another update out, update your phone as well by going to your settings, general, software update. And the reason why you want to update both devices is because it might be a compatibility issues between the devices. So go ahead and update both your CarPlay and your iPhone, and go ahead and reconnect again one more time. And hopefully after doing all this troubleshooting, your CarPlay audio is working. If so, please make the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.